Hi everyone, and welcome to this presentation of the eclectic journal made from Amazon packaging cardboard. So this is a small 4x5 I think journal. It's 1.5 something 1 3/4 thick journal. It's made with lined out arrow freebies. And the inside of every signature is made from packaging, brown packaging. And this brown packaging you can use, I put some clear gesso in it, and you can actually use it to draw with watercolor or acrylic colors. And it shouldn't be, it won't actually go through the entire paper. There's also a few tags, a few envelopes, and in the middle there's the file folder with the Velum envelope that received some jewelry pieces, so we can keep adding to this journal. There's in total two signature with a total of 24 pages. It's small, it's cute, it's very lightweight, but also almost weighs nothing. It was a great use of my copy paper made journal kit. A bit more of the lace that's on the spine. I also added a protection on the journal with water-based varnish.